Objective and use case. In this project, you will build a digital safety interlock circuit using a 74H-C08 quad 2-input AND gate. The system mimics a high-security protocol where a mechanism, represented by an LED, activates only if two separate inputs, switches, are triggered at the exact same time. Real-world applications, industrial machinery, safety presses requiring the operator to place both hands on separate buttons to prevent injury. Bank vaults, dual key requirements where two managers must be present to open a safe. Aerospace, launch control systems requiring dual confirmation commands. Home automation, smart lock logic where biometric data and a PIN code must both match.
Would you like to really get electronics, computer science, and AI without drowning in endless theory? At Prometeo.blog, you learn by actually building and coding. Every week, we publish concise micro-tutorials, technical comparisons, and product overviews to help you decide what to buy and how to use it. But the real gem is our practical cases. Very detailed guides that take you from the bill of materials all the way to final validation. You'll design and test circuits with analog components like resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, inductors, relays, and transformers, and with digital logic like AND, OR, NOT, NAND gates, etc. You'll build projects with FPGA, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ESP32 or Jetson, and even the UGV robot. Everything is step-by-step, exact commands, ready-to-run code, wiring guides, real electrical schematics, SPICE net lists with real simulation plots, troubleshooting guides, upgrades, and much more. All our posts are available in both Spanish and English. At the end of each article, you'll find a short quiz so you can quickly check what you've learned. You also get your own private Prometeo ChatGPT tutor, specialized in electronics, computer science, and AI, with precise knowledge of all the content on the blog. Point. If you really want to learn by doing, advancing one project at a time. Head over to Prometeo.blog and get started today.